Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So before we start, as you can see, this is my account and these messages I'm going to restore. So if you want to backup, how you can do that? Just click on these three dots, then you will see the settings option. And if you scroll a bit, then you will find the option for chats. You have to click there, then scroll a bit and go to chat backup. And here you will see the option for backup, and these messages will get backup into your Google account, which is selected here. You can select your account, whatever Google account you are using, you can select that here. And then if you want to backup your messages for every week, you can select that. And if you want to backup your message like daily, you can select the daily option. So in my case, I'm selecting weekly. Okay, and once you set up all these things, you have to click on backup, and then your messages will get backup. And once your backup is done, you are ready to go. So let's suppose I accidentally delete my WhatsApp and now I want to restore my all messages. So how I can do that? Just reinstall your WhatsApp and open it. Then here you have to click on agree and continue. Then here you need to type your phone number. Once you type your phone number, here you will get to see the option for restore. We are going to click here. Then as you can see, our restoring messages process are started. And yeah, there you go. As you can see, our messages are restored successfully. And yeah, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.